ki problems ki jongphi.
The Voice of the People's Party candidate from North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, today filed an FIR at Sadar police station regarding the amount of rupees 43 crore claimed to be unaccounted for out of the rupees 119 crore received as central grants and aid through National Health Mission for COVID-19 activities, which had been flagged by RTI activist D. Rani recently. Speaking to reporters, Nongrum alleged that there is an attempt to misuse the funds earmarked by the centre through the NHM by reminding the Health Minister James P.K. Sangma in his reply to the question he had raised during the autumn assembly session had stated that rupees 76 crore was sanctioned by the central government. Nongrum said that this only proves that there is misutilization of funds earmarked by the centre when it comes to COVID-19 expenditure. It may be recalled that the Health Minister, on his reply, had also stated that the state government had spent a sum of rupees 816 crore on COVID-19.
For misappropriation of public money intended for COVID-19. As a responsible citizen, I also recall the last autumn session which had put this very same question to seek the clarification from the Minister concerned. And as the Minister concerned at the point of time, he did make a clarification that amount sanctioned by the central government is around 76 crore.
The Department of Political Science under